Hey there. So let's continue our HR series. Let's actually assume like through AgentSpot, we're able to kind of like operationalize and build a pipeline of great candidates proactively ourselves through workflows. Then we had a bunch of interviews and we made sure that the candidates were fairly evaluated, removing bias from the interviewers as well as matching their qualities and their opportunities for improvement against our own company values to make sure they would be successful in the organization. Third thing is we got a great candidate. They agreed to join the company. Now, the thing that I want to do here is I want to make sure they have a great onboarding experience. So I want to, as a hiring manager, I want to provide actually my hiring managers a great agent that helps them do an onboarding plan. So we're going to do this. Here, I'm going to go into the create a new button and put some instructions. So here, I'm going to create an agent for all the hiring managers in the company to create a personalized 30, 60, 90-day onboarding plan for the new hire. Let's tie it to the company and roles. We can also provide a bit more context into, like the offer letter that might have been sent, or the job descriptions, things like that, right? So I actually wanted by design to ask for more questions for the hiring manager to provide more details. So the plan is more personalized. So it's not going to just spin up things in here without the user providing input. So by design, this agent is going to ask questions. And then I want to make sure that every week when I log in, I am able to go and chat with the agent and get a clear understanding of what the new hire is supposed to do and what the manager is supposed to do, so that everything is clear and the new onboarded employee has a great experience with my company. So let's let it build and take it from there. All right, now the hiring onboarding plan builder has been built. It tells you really quickly what it's doing. So like understanding the intake, understanding how it does like a weekly plan, with themes on the company values, etc., etc. Right? So like this is perfect. I can again see the instructions and understand exactly how through a pretty like 6-7 line of questions from the agent builder. I've created a pretty deep prompt that's really grounded and helps basically like have a plan with like a clear structure in here. So it really makes sure that the agent is going to create something very valuable for both the hiring manager and the employee. I see that it's going to be creating that in Google, so it's understood that it should be connecting to the Google Workspace. We have tons of other connectors, but that's the one that are relevant for us in here. That's perfect. So let me give some personality to that agent, and let's get started from here. So with this, I'm going to go and start asking this agent new questions. All right. So what I actually have is that I already have some context for Sarah. So like I have a resume, so when we understand a bit better who they are, and I also have a job description for the exact thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and say I want to draft an onboarding plan. Resume is right there, and the job description is going to be right here. Starting August 3rd in Mountain View. And let's get started. All right, the agent is done, found the context, and so now it's actually asking me for a bit more details. So it's more contextual in drafting the plan. I'm going to go and answer these particular questions. AgentSpot, the agent in AgentSpot is actually going to understand it and start drafting the plan for me. All right, so that's actually great. Like I've seen that it's breaking it down by months, and then every single week there is a responsibility for the new hire and the manager. So you can see a little bit how it's broken down, very, very clear into what should be done every single week with success signals. And then again, like themes and responsibilities, every single week is right there. You'll see that it has that for every week there. Then like it breaks down to the 30 to 60 and same exact thing, and going and kind of like ramping up as the new hire comes in, which is great. I can take a look. Obviously, if I want to change a few things, I can do that. And you'll see, I won't go through the entire plan, but you'll see that at the bottom, I can approve it. I can request edits. Obviously, so here for the demo, I'm just going to go and approve and have it create the document for me. But as you go through the conversations, as you go through the weeks, you can actually obviously speak to the agent, speak about what went well, what was done, what could have been improved, and have them review the plan and adjust and course correct as it goes. So you really have somebody working with you to make sure that your new hire is having a great experience. All right, and with this, we have a document created now, and I can go and take a look, have some structure. I can actually share some of that with my new hire, and I can go and take a look at this plan. I won't go too deep into the plan because obviously as things go through, I will want to revise and give feedback to the agent to revise that plan. But I've got good tools to get started and make sure that my new hire is empowered to succeed. Thank you.